How to turn off joins in Roblox. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So to prevent friends or others from joining your Roblox games in 2025, you can follow the simple steps to adjust your privacy settings. So how to do this? First of all, you need to go ahead and log into your account and go to its website. Then tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen and then tap on settings. Navigate to the privacy settings, which is privacy and content restrictions. Now adjust who can join you. Go to visibility and private servers, and then go to private servers and set it to no one. Also go to visibility and set it to no one. After that, come back, tap on communication and tap on party and set it to no one. Tap on group party and also set it to no one. Go to experience chat and set it to no one as well. And ensure that your changes are saved. Roblox typically saves settings automatically, but it's good to double check. So by setting who can join me in your experiences to no one, you can prevent all the users, including friends and followers, from joining your games. So this setting is effective across all the devices, including PC, Mac, iOS, Android, and Xbox. So some users have reported that friends can still join them despite their settings. To further enhance the privacy, you can consider setting Show My Current Experience to No One, and this can be found under Privacy and Content Maturity settings. So for complete control over who joins your game, consider creating a private server, and this will allow you to create and invite only specific users. And if you're managing a child's account, Roblox has introduced enhanced parental controls in 2025, allowing parents to block specific friends and restrict access to certain games. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.